Hey guys, it's Angelica here. If I look like a lazy potato, that's because I have been a lazy potato this quarantine, and I think it's time to get off the couch and pamper myself. So the first thing I want to do is make my body scrub. I like to take a little bit of lemon, some honey, some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, vanilla extract, some coconut sugar, and then basically I just mix it all together. I like to use olive oil because it contains natural antioxidant properties that protect the skin from damage, and it helps moisturize as well. Lemons. I love lemons. I love the smell of them, but also they are packed with vitamin C and is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production, so that's great. I like to use honey in my scrubs because it helps promote tissue repair and it actually has antimicrobial properties. Now when it comes to sugar and sugar scrubs, I like to use coconut sugar because it's finer in texture and gentler on the skin. Vanilla extract. Not only does it smell delicious and makes me smell delicious, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe and calm irritated skin just like mine. Now that my body scrub is all mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and take that remainder of my lemon wedge and go ahead and dig my nails right into it because it actually helps brighten your nails, remove stains, and the vitamin C promotes stronger growth. This is a little trick that my grandma taught me when I was a little girl. Okay guys, before I hop in the shower, I just like to get my diffuser ready with some peppermint oil. Feel free to use any essential oil that you'd like. I just know that peppermint oil helps me breathe a lot easier, and from the research I've done, they say that it helps reduce inflammation in your airways. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and wash my face. I do have large pores, so I like to cleanse my face first. Now I'm going in with my scrub, and I really like to exfoliate my skin because it unclogs pores, eliminates bacteria, and maintains the skin's balance. This results in fewer breakouts, clearer skin, and more radiant complexion. Now for my body wash, I'm just going to take my body wash with my loofah and scrub my body, including my head, because I don't have hair there. Now time for my body scrub, and you guys, it smells so good. Now that I'm out of the shower and dried off, I like to quickly apply my moisturizing cream because I do have pretty dry skin and I am prone to getting eczema breakouts. Okay, now to my face. I like to apply the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Face Oil because it helps restore and replenish my skin overnight. When it comes to my face, I like to start from lightest to heaviest. So this is my light facial moisturizer that I like to use by Kiehl's. Now I'm going in with my heavier moisturizer, and it smells so good, you guys. I wish you could smell it. Now I'm going in with my eye cream, and seriously guys, this is my favorite eye cream I've ever tried in my whole entire life, and it really helps reduce puffiness and the dark circles underneath my eyes, and I honestly feel like it kind of makes me feel more awake. Is that weird? Now I'm going in with my GLYMED lip balm. It's peppermint, my favorite, as you can tell. Okay guys, that was me pampering myself for the day. This quarantine has really done a number on me. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to bed and rest my pretty little eyes. I hope you enjoyed this fun little video. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.